Come on in. Such a beautiful morning compared to yesterday. Well, stop, I'll show you. What a night last night, that's for sure. Stayed at that place called Patches last night. Met a couple friends, hung out with them, chatted a little bit, and came back. You know what that means? Dickie wants to go back to bed. Well, I'm gonna sit here and try to figure out what we're gonna do. We're gonna go hiking since we didn't do the hiking yesterday. So we'll do the hiking trail over down by the pier. I gotta cook my meatloaf that I got, so I'll cook that tonight on the fire. Probably just chill and relax over this way today since we were out and about last night. I don't know. I'll figure out and we'll get back to you guys here in a little bit. American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Come along, would you? What's pretty cool, the one that we're going tonight, it's free and open. So meaning that we can get in there right away. I'm just gonna have to go check out the registration people. Well, I think I'm coming up with a plan. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go down to the showers, take a shower, maybe go do something, go find this. There's one place that we drove by when we first came in over the, before you go over the bridge, and it's right on the water. Yeah, so that's the plan there, Stan. Ugh. Left eye's agitated. I'll be back, Jack. I'll be back there, Jack. Looks like who's Jack? That doesn't sound cool. shower shoes. Some cheap $1 shower shoes. So fresh and so clean. I'm glad I'm staying another day because it is a beautiful day here in Panama City, people. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. Well, I had to walk down to the other bathroom, which is about half a mile further. Not that much, but always. Because they were cleaning the one next to me over here. Nice showers, nice showers. Contact time. Alright guys, well this is going to conclude this campsite for right now. We are staying here for another night. And we're going to be staying over there at 81, the empty one right there. So right now we're going to head off. We're going to figure out something to do. I know I have to go to the grocery store, do some breakfast in the morning. I have enough just for tonight. And then do some hiking today. And then while I'm going to the grocery store, I might check out that place by the water that I wanted to go over the bridge. So let's do this.